Hello Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 25th of March. Let's see what is in your messages today. Gemini, the Lovers card. Let's go. Gemini, we have the Page of Wands coming out first. So you're dealing with an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I'm also getting you starting a new creative idea. I'm getting you started it already. Basically, you're looking for clients. What is that? It's like ghetto? Okay. So I'm getting a new creative endeavor. I don't know if you're a photographer. This looks like photography. I don't know, music, film and TV. We have the Ace of Wands. Okay, I'm definitely getting film and TV. I'm getting something about an actor. Gemini, are you an actor? You are a paid actor. I'm getting you've been acting ever since you were in your 20s. But yeah, I'm getting Page of Wands, Ace of Wands, King of Wands. Yeah, I'm getting something about you're acting. You've been acting, Gemini. I'm getting you're an actor. I'm also getting something about bigger brother, younger brother, or I'm getting something about two men here. Now, this could be you, Gemini, and this younger guy. I'm getting somebody in them 20s, somebody in them 30s, 40s. I'm getting, is it your employee? You're having sex with your employee? I'm getting a gay Gemini. Like you and this employee been having sex together. Here's the one, here's the one, here's the one. When they've been having sex, I'm getting, yeah, have sex with a 20-year-old man. There's still consent, so anyways. I'm also getting something about, I'm getting something about a baton, like passing the baton. Like, I see the younger guy have the baton, and then him pass the baton to the older guy. I'm getting passing something around. We have the Hangman, and we also have the Ace of Swords. This could be literally passing a woman around. I'm getting everybody want a chance for this woman. The 20-year-old want to fuck her. The 40-year-old want to fuck her. I'm not sure what this is. I'm also getting you want somebody. I'm getting you want to have a sexual relationship with a woman, and you want to have sex with your son, and you want her to have sex with you. I'm getting something about a media house also that was supposed to. Oh, I'm also getting something about solo videos, like masturbation videos, but it's men. So I'm getting your what? Oh, I'm also getting Gemini. You watch porn. You're watching men masturbate. What's the Page of Wands? The Two of Cups. Yeah, you're in are you in a relationship with this man? This 20-year-old? Come getting you gay, him gay. Both of them have sex already. Is he in a relationship with you? Or am I getting something about the relationship that this guy's in? No, I'm getting something about penis size. I'm getting an older man and in penis size and a younger guy and in penis. I'm getting something about penis size. I'm getting a young guy and an old guy comparing their penis size. Okay, we have a Two of Cups. That's a relationship. The Ace of Wands is the devil. Who do you want? Is somebody bisexual? Them having sex with girls and guys. Somebody could be bisexual. Maybe you bisexual, Gemini. You shouldn't be fucking girls and leading them on if you know you fuck man. That's a nasty abomination that you commit. And not the abomination of just fucking a man. The abomination of fucking a man and then you go back to fucking a woman. You need to repent any fucking ways. The Devil card in the Two of Cups. I'm also getting this guy who you're going to meet. I'm getting somebody saying that you're the best sexual partner they ever had. Someone saying that if I have sex with other people, they don't do it like. I'm getting something about the tightness. Somebody could also be really wet. Gemini, I'm going to tell you something. I don't know if you know about vagina, but usually, you see, when you start kiss a girl, she not gonna just get wet. You have to do something called foreplay. Whether you have to When you have to do foreplay, you have to get her wet first. You don't just start kiss somebody, take off them clothes, and you push your dick in them and expect them to be wet. That's not how it goes, Gemini. Unless you're usually used to fucking a man, then you would usually kiss them, bend them over, and use baby oil to penetrate them. Because there ain't no fucking straight men using motherfucking baby oil as lubricant. You P. Diddy. You motherfucking P. Diddy. Me never meet a straight man. And I tell let me tell you something, you know the man them's gay and gay. You see them use baby oil as lubricants, because gay man don't know say baby oil can cause yeast infections for women. You fuck man, Gemini. Also, yeah, use Vaseline as lubricant. The reason why I use baby oil and Vaseline as lubricant is because you're used to fucking in the ass. No motherfucking straight bitch I use baby oil up in her pussy. It will cause her yeast infection. She will use it on her. She will rub the baby oil. She will throw the baby oil on her breast and on her ass. And while you're fucking her from behind, you can grip that baby oiled ass. You can grip her baby oil breast. You ain't gonna put the baby oil inside of her pussy and fuck her. That's a dead giveaway, say you fuck man. That's a dead giveaway. Anytime a man tell you to use baby oil or Vaseline as a lubricant for a woman, dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Because straight man know about foreplay. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. What's the King of Wands? The King of Wands is a Knight of Wands. We literally have we have the Page, the Knight, and the King. The Page, the Knight, and the King. Now, I don't know if this is something about when you were in the army. When you were younger, you used to fuck a man. Maybe that's what it was. I don't know if you still choose to fuck a man. But we're getting the three. We're getting Page, Knight, and King. Three of y'all is a team. Teamwork, we're getting three people. The Page, the Knight, and the King. This could be grandfather, father, son. We're getting a lot of gay men around you. Gay men who's pretending to like women. Gay men who have girls. We're getting the only person here that don't seem gay is the youngest. The youngest one. We're getting the youngest fire sign. Him look like him like girl. We're getting all the other one them like man. The Hangman is the Hierophant with a nasty blood clot abominating ass. You fuck man. Why are you on dating sites trying to fuck women? You fuck man. Why you up on blood clot dating sites I tell a girl what them bring to the table when you like to bend over on that table and make a man fuck you? You nasty abomination. Go suck your mother. We in a blood clot know your father of. What's the Ace of Swords? We have a bruh. What the fuck happened? We have two king. We have a Knight and Page. And this is all fire signs. So these are men who like them ass eaten. These are men who, what else? I don't know if somebody did that with you and them did want you be freaky with them in the bedroom. Like maybe somebody want you turn them from behind. Maybe that's what them want. Because there's a lot of fire here. Fire, 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 and a man. And all of them have a 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm not sure if it's men who are waiting to have sex with you. Because I'm getting next in line is a 20-odd-year-old Page of Wands. He's supposed to be the next in line for fuck you. And then we have another one here. And then we have another one here. And then we have another one here. And then we have another one. Somebody don't know that. I don't know if you're very freaky in the bedroom. I don't know if you're a person like me. I'm not freaking in the bedroom. I'm not swallow, I'm not eat no ass, certain things I'm not blood clot in a bedroom. But me getting somebody might feel like the way how them have sex with you, there's a difference between fucking a man, right, and fucking a stranger. Because I'm getting somebody fuck you and them I tell them friend, and all these friends are waiting on you to have sex with you. You do not have sex unless you're with somebody. So unless 5 different men are gonna trick you, so they want a relationship from you, so you can call 5 of them, that's the only way I see these men having sex with you. The Hierophant is here. The Hierophant did not come out in Taurus reading. It came out in Gemini's reading. Yeah. You want to talk about real blood clot religion? You're a batty man. You talk about real blood clot religion? You fuck man. You try to throw your blood clot religion in the people's face. You know fuck man. You know blood clot gay. You know socialize around lesbian women. You want to show your religion in somebody's face. Your mother fuck without blood clot ring and you don't know your daddy Gemini. You want to show blood clot religion in somebody's face. You think you're holier than nobody because you have blood clot money. You think you're holier than a blood clot body because you made it in life. Go suck your mother who don't know who the fuck your father is. With your batty man self. You fuck man and I use girl as blood clot cover. You depend dating sites. I use fucking girl for cover your nasty blood clot anus. And you walk around with blood clot chain. That's saying that you're a part of God. You have blood clot Bible in your house. And every minute you want to throw your religion at somebody's face. You fuck man. You're the ultimate blood clot abomination. Cannabis is not in the 10 Commandments. Fucking a man is. Go suck your mother. You think you can blood clot style me? You think you can blood clot style me? You think I'm a blood clot white bitch who come from the country where you come from? You think I'm a blood clot insecure blood clot bitch who come from this country? At Jamaica I come from. When I apologize to a batty boy. Go suck your mother. Pussy hole. The Hierophant is here. If you don't like what I'm saying and your pastor not saying what I'm saying, well your pastor probably fuck man too. You probably is a judge. Are you a judge? You fuck man. You think me don't know your dirty blood clot secret? But you're a judge. But you're a blood clot lawyer. But you're a police officer. You still fuck man. And you can use a police. You can use a police force authority. You can use a judge authority. You can use any authority you want. Use to silence the Hierophant. Them know say you're a batty man. Go suck your mother. Suck your blood clot mother who fought the man without a blood clot marriage. You want to show your blood clot religion at people's face. Where was your mother pussy 40 years ago? Where your mother pussy did 40 years ago? Was it in a religious man's hand? No. Him fuck her and left her and you want to come out like your blood clot holy. Your mother is a blood clot sinner, bitch. Go suck your mother. You can never blood clot style me. Let me tell you that. Pussy, well, you think I'm afraid of you? You think I'm afraid of you and your blood clot? Anything you have, any blood clotting you have and want to threaten me with, you think my blood clot afraid of you? Go suck your mother. Think you can blood clot intimidate me? Go suck your mother. You don't know your blood clot father. You need to intimidate your mother. You have throw religion at people's face. You need to call your blood clot mother and ask her as a religious woman who she pretend to be why you don't know who the fuck your father is. You want to throw blood clot religion at people's face. You're a batty man. Go suck your mother. Pussy, well, you think I'm scared of you? You think I'm scared of nobody? You think I'm scared of blood clot? Di Stefano? You think I'm scared of the blood clot body you work with? You can't blood clot intimidate me. Me not give a fuck where you have, where you come from. If you're a blood clot NASCAR driver, me not give a fuck if you. Me not give a fuck who the fuck you are. You will never blood clot disrespect me. Go suck your mother. You want to show religion at people's face and you fuck man. You show religion at people's face. Okay? And you fuck and you don't marry no woman. You show religion at people's face. Religion. You want to show the church. It's against your religion. It was against your religion for your mother for fuck that man and the man left your blood clot mother and now you don't know your blood clot daddy. Go suck your mother. You can never blood clot intimidate me. You think my blood clot scared of you, Gemini? Go suck your mother, Aquarius. Pussy hole, the fuck you think you deal with? The fuck you think you that blood clot deal with? Think you can blood clot intimidate me? You think you can run my blood clot life? With your batty man self? Go suck your mother, pussy hole. Must you think my blood clot afraid of you? You think my blood clot afraid of you, Africus? Illness, you must have a blood clot illness. Cause you want to rub people, you want to rub your religion at people's face. Your mother don't know who the father of you don't know who your daddy is. Your mother is exactly like Mary. A ghost fuck her and left her and she had you. Just like fucking Mary. Your mother is exactly like fucking Mary. Secret society, you can never blood clot intimidate me. You hear me tell you? You hear my blood clot tell you? You can't make me hide my blood clot face. You can't make me stop walk a blood clot road. And let me tell you something, Gemini. You can't stop me from fucking another blood clot man. Because I'm not fuck batty man. Go suck your mother. Pussy hole. You think I'm afraid of you? You think my blood clot afraid of you?